This video is going to show you how to type imaginary numbers into your calculator. So we're going to take a look at the first example from your notes, and we're going to type in the square root. Oh, before we do that, don't do that yet. You're going to click on your mode button, which is highlighted in red. This is my second take of the video, so I already have this completed. Your calculator screen is going to probably look like this. So notice how this says real, and then next to real, it says A plus BI. So you're going to go over and select that by scrolling on top of it and hitting enter. That'll move the black rectangle around it. And what this will do is it'll give us complex or imaginary answers if they come out in the calculator. So now quit to a blank screen. We'll type our first example in of negative square root of negative 80. I don't need that. It's going to give you a weird decimal because that's not a perfect square, but it's also going to give you the I at the end. So I'm also going to now type in my answer, 4. Now to type in I, you're going to hit second decimal point. You see how there's like a little tiny script I above that? And then square root 5, which was the answer that I got for that first one. See if they come out the same. And they do. It gives me the little I at the end. Now this is great, not as cool as the next portion. So I'm going to clear this out. Good way to check your answers. For the next two, we're going to type in the exact problem. 2 second decimal point to give me the I, negative 3 second decimal point, and then 4 plus 2 second decimal point. Again, the second decimal point is going to give you the I's. This problem looks identical to what you're seeing on your paper, and when you hit enter, it actually pops out the answer in the same order that we wrote our final answer in. I can do the same thing with the third example, 4 plus 5, and then 2 minus I, enter. Now you will still need to show your work, but this is a great way to check your final answers, and to do the adding subtracting ones, you can also check your work there. So you wouldn't have to call one of us over to check that you did these right. You can put them in the calculator and then call us over if there was a mistake that you made somewhere along the way. Again, use this to check your work.